Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to save your mobile contacts into a laptop. First, you need to install this application. After that, open it. This application will help us exporting all our contacts to a file, then save this file into our laptop. Click on Export Contacts, then click on Select All to select all our contacts. After that, click on Export Contacts. Select VCF file and click on Backup. Wait for a few seconds, then click OK. This application will generate a VCF file ready to be stored into your laptop. Click on these three dots and click on Share. You need to choose a way to save or to share this file to your laptop. You can select WhatsApp or select Gmail or select any way you can send this file to your laptop. Then store this file into your laptop. I sent my contacts file to laptop using Gmail. Then I'm gonna download it and store it into my laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.